wanted to see our everyday makeup tutorial, so
here we go!
Now this is quite basic, just like Alma is basic.
Excuse me?
So we are going to start
with a fight.
With a great vitamin primer. This is from Primark, and it was quite cheap. Like, all of our makeup is really cheap, guys.
It matched your face very nicely.
Yeah, like, it does the trick. And then we're going to use this brow pencil that we get. Go away, you idiot. These are only like £1, and they're from like a local beauty supply store, and they just do the job. Like, honestly,
always have your pencil sharp, man.
Have it nice and sharp so you can line your brows. And we just follow like our natural brow pattern and then just like fill it in. Can't you see how much better mine is compared to Alma's?
Lydia, you learned off me.
Learned what? Yeah, exactly. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna fill in our brows, and once this is done, it's okay.
It's okay.
Now we're gonna use this Pro LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn, the famous Fawn, and then I also use Pure Beige. She needs to conceal her whole face.
Excuse me?
Horrible.
All you need to do is just cover like the little dark stuff.
Yeah.
That's it.
It's literally like just filling in gaps.
And dab it first before you smooth it.
Dab on them. Dab on them. Dab on them. And now we're just like patting it in, because that's what a lot of people say to do, and it seems to work. And I like using my finger because it's just like.
But your fingers are dirty.
Yeah, we always wash our hands for doing our makeup. And voila, it looks quite good to us.
Blush.
This is by Revolution, a really cheap brand. Once again, I just lightly like blush my face down. Smile a little bit so you can
get that a little bit of a petite
of my face.
Create fake cheekbones to make it right, and then blush like you're embarrassed.
You don't look right.
What?
Look right
look at those cheekbones, man. Look at that, sharp.
Now these are some pretty cheap eyeshadow palettes. Mine's from Primark. It's called Tropical Storm. It was like £4.
I don't know where my friend is.
And I love these colors. And don't ask me what I'm doing. I'm just trying. I think I did.
We try new stuff all the time.
Yeah, we do.
My favorite glitter eyeshadow, man, by Saffron. I think it's like just £1.
Yeah, really cheap. The thing with cheap makeup, though, you do have to like layer it and be patient with it, because you can get some good looks. You just have to take your time. And now I'm using eyeliner again. That's from Primark. Just to eyeline my eyes. And then this is a liquid eyeliner.
Yep. When you're doing your eyeliner, you just
basically. Guys, wait. Do you see that line?
What?
I have never in my life.
Lydia, shut up, man. Anyways, when you're doing your eyeliner, you're basically drawing a triangle at the edge of your eye, and then you just trace the shape of your eye. Simple.
What shape you got? Like
round.
Grape.
Shut up, Lydia.
So yeah, as you can see, I'm struggling with the other side. Work with me? No? Okay.
We'll just have to breathe.
Yeah. And then this is mascara from Primark called Aqua Lashes. I think it was like £2 or £3. Grace, Alma, whatever your name is. She uses Miss Hippie, and we just put that on our eyelashes.
Yeah, just keep blinking like a weirdo.
Well, you are a weirdo naturally. Now this is a liquid matte lip gloss, I think.
I love this.
From Primark. All of those are from Primark, and it was in the colors chocolate and rose. And then Alma just uses some random products.
Yeah, y'all been asking how we do our lip pop. So we just do LA Girl matte lipstick, and then I mix it with nude, and then that's it.
So we both just got nude colors, which is why we're not very brand specific here, because we always switch it up.
Yep.
Just take like a reddish color, put a nude color on top. It looks badly lined, but I look better in person.
Just use a wipe.
And then we mix it all in. See, my lips are starting to line. Get any excess, because this gets on your teeth.
I always got lipstick on my teeth, so sorry if you meet me and I have lipstick on my teeth, just tell me.
Don't tell her, guys. Then we're gonna rub that lip gloss on.
Woo, it's too shiny.
It makes everything pop.
Everything is everything.
Okay.
Lips so luscious.
Look at that juice.
Highlighter.
This is Technique. Again, a cheap brand of highlighter.
Yeah.
And we just dot it wherever we feel would be
wherever
great.
your face shines.
Yes. So, and
that's
voila.
it. Man, we look
Voila.
bomb.
Voila. You'd have no idea that mine looks better than yours.
What?
Hey. Turn up. Turn up. You guys got any tips for us? Anything? Get up. Anything you want to see? Hey.
Woo.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Make sure you follow us on Instagram at Lydia and Alma. Makeup brands, call us.
Please hook us up, man.
Fenty, yeah?
Fenty, Mac Cosmetics, everybody. Hit the DMs.
Ain't nobody gonna hit.
You dropping my phone. Who you think you are, man?
Bag. There we go. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video.
Yes.
And make sure you follow us.
The whoa.
Subscribe.
Like, comment, share.
We got more for y'all.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, bye.